Crash Course on Venezuela, Geography. Welcome to a crash course on the geography of Venezuela. This vibrant country in South America is blessed with diverse geographical features that will captivate your imagination. Join me as we explore its majestic mountain ranges, sprawling coastal plains, the mighty Orinoco River, and the awe-inspiring Guiana Highlands. Along the way, I'll share some interesting stories and examples that will excite you about Venezuela's natural wonders. Afterward, we'll delve into a list of the top 12 attractions that showcase the country's beauty and uniqueness. Let's embark on this thrilling journey together. Interesting stories and examples. 1. Angel Falls. Venezuela is home to Angel Falls, the tallest waterfall in the world. Cascading down from the Auyán-tepui, this magnificent natural wonder is a sight to behold, leaving visitors in awe of its grandeur. 2. The Orinoco River. Flowing through Venezuela, the Orinoco River is one of the longest rivers in South America. Its vast network of tributaries provides a lifeline for wildlife and supports diverse ecosystems. 3. The Guiana Highlands. Located in southeastern Venezuela, the Guiana Highlands are an ancient geological formation with towering tabletop mountains known as tepes. These mystical landscapes inspired Sir Arthur Conan Doyle's famous novel, The Lost World. Top 12 attractions of Venezuela. 1. Angel Falls. Experience the breathtaking beauty of Angel Falls, where water plunges from staggering heights amidst a backdrop of lush greenery. 2. Los Roques Archipelago. Discover the pristine beaches, crystal clear waters, and vibrant coral reefs of this Caribbean paradise, perfect for snorkeling and diving enthusiasts. 3. Canaima National Park. Explore the mesmerizing beauty of Canaima National Park, home to Angel Falls and a remarkable landscape dotted with tepes and vast savannas. 4. The Orinoco Delta. Immerse yourself in the enchanting mangroves and waterways of the Orinoco Delta, teeming with wildlife and offering an authentic glimpse into traditional indigenous communities. 5. Mount Roraima. Embark on a thrilling trek up Mount Roraima, a mystical tabletop mountain that straddles Venezuela, Guyana, and Brazil, revealing breathtaking panoramic views. 6. Mérida. Discover the vibrant city of Mérida nestled in the Andes Mountains, known for its cable car ride to Pico Espejo, providing sweeping vistas of the surrounding peaks. 7. Morrocoy National Park. Relax on the picturesque beaches and explore the mangrove forests and coral reefs of Morrocoy National Park, a haven for nature lovers. 8. Orinoco River Expedition. Embark on an unforgettable journey along the Orinoco River, where you can spot unique wildlife, interact with indigenous communities, and witness incredible sunsets. 9. Los Médanos de Coro. Marvel at the towering sand dunes of Los Médanos de Coro, a desert-like landscape that creates a surreal setting reminiscent of Arabian deserts. 10. Mochima National Park. Sail through the turquoise waters of Mochima National Park, dotted with countless islands and islets, offering opportunities for snorkeling, swimming, and sunbathing. 11. Marichi Palm Forest. Explore the enchanting Marichi Palm Forest in the southern Orinoco Delta, where these majestic palms create a magical atmosphere and provide a habitat for unique wildlife. 12. Gran Sabana. Journey through the vast savannas and encounter stunning waterfalls, such as Salto Ángel, as you explore the natural wonders of the Gran Sabana region. Summary. Venezuela's geography is a tapestry of wonders, from the towering Angel Falls to the mystical tabletop mountains and diverse ecosystems. Its breathtaking landscapes, including the Orinoco River and Guiana Highlands, offer unforgettable experiences for nature enthusiasts. Explore the top attractions, such as Angel Falls, Los Roques Archipelago, and Canaima National Park, where you can immerse yourself in the beauty and adventure that Venezuela has to offer. It's a country that will leave you in awe of its natural treasures. Poem about Venezuela. In Venezuela's embrace, nature dances free. From Angel Falls to the Caribbean Sea, mountains high and rivers grand. A captivating and diverse land. The Orinoco's flowing might sustains ecosystems day and night. Guiana Highlands, ancient and rare, with tepes reaching up to the air. Angel Falls, a heavenly sight. Cascading waters, pure and bright. Los Roques, a paradise of dreams. Azure waters, coral reefs it teems. Canaima's national treasure. Tepes and savannas beyond measure. Mérida's cable car, reaching high. Unveiling vistas in the sky. Morrocoy's coastal charms unfold. Mangroves, beaches, a world untold. Orinoco Delta, a journey in time. Indigenous culture, rich and prime. Mount Roraima, a tabletop wonder. Mysteries waiting, secrets to uncover. Mochima's Islands, a paradise true. Snorkeling and swimming, just for you. From Los Medanos to Gran Sabana's grace. Venezuela's beauty lights up the space. A land of wonders, vibrant and bold. Where nature's story will forever be told. ***** Start. Planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.